Madam President, the ICJ welcomes Lebanon's acceptance of recommendations on certain measures necessary to strengthen the judiciary's independence and calls on the authorities to fully implement them. However, while noting Lebanon's stated commitment to implement recommendations aimed at ensuring that the Beirut port blast be investigated, including by holding those responsible accountable, the ICJ is concerned about recent attacks against certain investigative authorities, including through their removal from their oversight role over the investigation into the blasts, and about high-level criminal negligence and corruption cases. Along with other organizations, the ICJ reiterates its call to the Council to establish an independent and impartial investigative mechanism to probe the port blasts. The ICJ is particularly concerned that Lebanon only partially accepted and noted recommendations aimed at ending the military court's jurisdiction over civilians. The ICJ and Lebanese NGOs have documented the military's role in the recent arrest, detention, and referral for military court prosecution of dozens of civilians arising from anti-government protests in Tripoli. These practices must end. The ICJ welcomes Lebanon's acceptance of recommendations on promoting the protection of migrant workers and refugees' human rights, including upholding the non-refoulement principle. The ICJ urges Lebanon to become a party to the UN Convention on the Rights of Migrant Workers and the Convention related to the status of refugees. While the ICJ welcomes Lebanon's commitment to implementing recommendations on reforming domestic violence legislation, it regrets that Lebanon only partially accepted or noted recommendations on explicitly criminalizing all gender-based violence, on enacting a unified personal status law, and on amending the nationality law to afford women the same rights as men. I thank you.